So, like any other scorecard, your workforce scorecard also has four key elements that it focuses on. The first one is workforce mindset and culture. See, mindset of the people and culture of organization are very important because they influence how people behave in an organization. So, to be able to execute an organization strategy, first everyone must understand what they are expected to do. And so this needs to measure that how everybody understands the firm's business model and how or what is their role in their workforce. So it's important to devise a metrics which will measure the understanding of people about the organization strategy and their role in making the strategy successful. So that is first aspect. The second aspect is workforce competencies. So you need people who are capable of doing things. But in spite of having capable people, if they are not motivated, then you will get nowhere. Similarly, if your people are highly motivated but lack competency, then again that will also do nothing for the organization. So you need both right amount of competencies and right motivation to succeed. So that's the second element we'll be focusing in workforce scorecard. The third one is leadership and workforce behavior. It is very well known that a leader is one who takes his teams forward and thus organization forward. So this measures whether or not a workforce is behaving in a preferred way so that we can achieve the objectives of the organization with consistency. So it's the responsibility of managers to be clear about what is expected from the workforce and what they should be doing, or otherwise what happens, or the negative impact of it, or the consequences of this action and how it will impact on the result. So this should be made known to all the people by the leader. And the last one is workforce success, which focuses on whether or not workforce have executed the firm strategy or not. So how do you know a firm strategy is executed? It depends on the profitable customers you have in your organization. So if you deliver the factors which make your customers happy, then that means you have executed your strategy. If you fail to deliver those qualities which your customers were wanting in your product, so that means you have failed to execute the strategy, because organization objective starts with what customers needs and what you want to provide, also by vision and mission, that's later part. So your workforce success depends on how well organization objectives and strategies are executed, and that in turn can be measured with the customer base an organization has. So that's about workforce scorecard. Thank you.